been tracking it all day as well.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot to look at with this storm. First, of course, is the cold. Let me address the cold, Wyatt. We may actually hit records for the amount of records we achieved. Let me try that again. We may hit a record for the amount of records we've achieved this week. What? This is insane cold, and now we're talking about the possibility of snow. Take a look at the graphics. I want to show you this system that's developing. It's a weak area of low pressure, not a big storm on our boards, but enough precipitation that's going to roll out of the Gulf of Mexico, collide with the cold air on top of us, and produce a whole mess of weather for your day on Saturday. So future weather showing us the outer suburbs around as early as 11 o'clock in the morning. By lunchtime into the early afternoon and late afternoon hours, we're going to get a good thumping of snow. It's moderate to heavy snow inside the Beltway, up into the counties, into Harford County and Cecil County, and into the Eastern Shore. But this is where things get a little sketchy. As we go into tomorrow evening, we're going to see some warming, not on the ground, but up about 2,000 to 3,000 feet up into the atmosphere. That's going to allow for maybe sleet or rain to fall on our cold surfaces, and that is thus how we're expecting freezing rain. So that's going to be the dangerous component to the storm, and then everything kicks out by Sunday afternoon. Now, the snow component's going to be interesting. We're thinking 1 to 3 inches for the Eastern Shore, Annapolis Point south and east, 3 to 5 inches for a good chunk of the ABC2 viewing area. But now we put that plus sign. That is just denoting if this storm stays colder for a longer duration, we might be over 5 inches. So that's why we're going to have to watch the storm very carefully tomorrow. Northwestern suburbs as you get along the Tawnytown Pike north and west into Frederick, and higher elevations, it's a 6 to 10 inch deal. And western Maryland, you may get over 10 inches. So this is the bottom line. Again, we're also going to be watching the possibility of ice. Again, it could be a significant event at Long 95. Doesn't take much to make it a significant event, so be careful as you're traveling late Saturday night. Everybody starts to snow after the lunchtime hour tomorrow. Put that on your radar. Now, it's a heavy accumulating snow. May stay as an all-snow event north and west of the Beltway, north and west of 95, but we do think 95 will mix in with some freezing rain, and that could cause all sorts of problems. Travel's going to be ill-advised after lunchtime tomorrow. We'll talk more about this forecast coming up in just a little bit. We'll show you the 7-day, of course, which has more cold. Guys?
All right, thanks, Mike, and make sure you stay with us.